Good morning. Dogs are eating, sorry if you can hear their little crunchies. Today's a big day. Today's gonna be a long day. I haven't been on a train in a long time. Like, we live in northern New Mexico, and the train leaves from Chama, which is kind of like on the Colorado border, and then it goes into Colorado and comes back. But I wonder if I could look up some info. So it was constructed in 1880 as part of the Rio Grande's narrow gauge San Juan extension. So it's just a mining district. All a narrow gauge railroad is like how many feet between the rails. They probably have it in here. Yeah, a narrow gauge is 3 feet, and then a standard like train was 4 feet 8.5 inches. And that became standard in the US. Your road begins in Chama and you end up in Antonito, Colorado. It's a national landmark that moves a completely authentic steam railroad. Our railroad has steamed through history and across the Rocky Mountains since 1880. So it's like 6:45 right now. It's like a 2-hour drive to get to Chama. I'm gonna need food and coffee, or your girl's just gonna be like hangry the whole time. So I wanted something fall for today, like when I was thinking about the trip yesterday, but I think I just want like a standard coffee. Okay, coffee's ordered. We must pick it up and then we can go. I don't know how much I'll be able to talk today, because everything is so close on the train. I feel like everyone's just gonna look at you the whole time. But honestly, it's easier for me that way, so it's a win-win. I'm not complaining. Let's get ready. I'd also like to mention that I've never actually been on this train before. I'm excited to go on it because I've just never done it, so now I can say I've done it. I've noticed like a really big thing in my life, like I just want to say that I've done it. Like, even if it's just one time, I've done it. So I'm looking forward to it. You were in the sketchiest spot. I could have put you in my car. I'm kind of cutting it close. His parents are coming to pick us up at 7:30, and it's 7:11 right now. All the leaves are changing. But I feel like that's going to be the entirety of this video. Like, that's the whole point. They're really pretty. So if you like fall colors, that's great. If not, maybe go somewhere else.
Morning.
Hey, morning. Thanks so much, Steph. Thank you.
You like that?
Yeah. That's good. You ride. It's 7:22. We have 8 minutes for me to get home. The next time you see me, I'll probably like be getting on the train, because I don't know if this family wants me to like video them or be videoing while we're just like in the car and just trying to talk to each other. But anyway, so I'll let you know when we get there. Okay. Bye.